Imagine there's a younger woman you like right now, maybe from church, work, a neighbor, or a friend of a friend. She's giving you little signs, subtle hints, tiny signals that she's interested, but you're not sure how to move things from just friends to something more. It can be frustrating being stuck in the friend zone. I know guys who secretly like their female friends and end up trapped there for years. I also know guys who messed it up because they made awkward or clumsy moves, and the girl gave a polite rejection saying, "I see you more as a friend." Maybe you wish there was a simple, reliable way to turn her on consistently, to get her feeling attracted to you fast, without it being weird or creepy. Hey everyone, welcome to Empowered Heart. Today, we're diving into how to spark real attraction and create chemistry with someone you like using simple, natural techniques. If you're excited to learn, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Empowered Heart so you don't miss any tips. Today, we're going over exactly how female sexual chemistry works. We'll explain why women react differently than men, the touch techniques that flood her body with the right hormones, and the eye contact method that creates sexual tension even without touching. Most guys fail because they don't understand what's really happening in her body. Hit that subscribe button because what we're covering is based on female psychology and sexual biochemistry that most men never learn. Let's start with why men and women are different when it comes to sexual arousal. Men have 10 to 20 times more testosterone than women. Testosterone triggers dopamine, giving pleasure and boosting sex drive. When testosterone is high, men get extremely horny. Now, women are different. Their bodies are flooded with a hormone called oxytocin. Oxytocin is a powerful hormone that creates bonding. For instance, a woman produces oxytocin while breastfeeding to bond with her baby. It's also released during orgasm to bond with her partner. But here's something most men don't realize. When a woman is touched in sensitive areas, like her neck or wrists, her body releases oxytocin. And when that happens, her testosterone levels rise too, just like a man's. With high testosterone, she becomes horny. Her brain reacts automatically, and she feels strong sexual desire. Appearance or age doesn't matter. Her body chemistry takes over. This is why it's critical to understand female hormones. If you want your female friend to feel attraction, you need to trigger oxytocin in her body. The right touches, the right signals, and the right chemistry can make her feel desire fast. It's not about forcing anything. It's about understanding what her body naturally responds to. Once you get this, you can create attraction without awkwardness or rejection. Flood her body with testosterone. Both hormones are very strong and have a big effect on sexual attraction. A proven way to trigger this is through touch. Focus on her sensitive spots with lots of nerve endings, her wrist, neck, inside of her elbow, or upper thigh. Here's something most guys don't get. Have you ever had a female friend give you a small touch on the shoulder or hand, and suddenly it hit you like lightning? You saw her in a new way, got tingles, felt a spark, maybe even an erection, even if she wasn't that attractive before. For women, that effect is 10 times stronger. Just a small, innocent touch can instantly turn a friendly vibe into sexual chemistry. In seconds, you can move from just a friend to someone she's attracted to. Keep this in mind because it connects directly to the moves I'm about to show you. Now I'll share some of my favorite ways to touch a female friend and get her turned on without being awkward or creepy. The goal is to make it feel natural and normal to her. The first method is very simple, but often overlooked. While talking to her, use gestures with your hands. Like an Italian man chatting, keep your hands up and move them as you speak. This allows you to reach out naturally to touch her shoulder, arm, or hand. For example, "Hey, did you hear what happened with Bob?" And lightly touch her arm. Many guys think they need clever pickup lines or perfect timing, but that's not true. Small, incidental touches during conversation feel normal and create a sexual response. Incidental touch works because it's subtle. If you're already gesturing while talking, your hand only moves a few inches to touch her. But if your hands are in your pockets or crossed on your chest, reaching out suddenly is obvious and awkward. When you gesture naturally, that touch triggers oxytocin and her testosterone rises. She might act like she doesn't notice, but she absolutely does. She's aware, and her body reacts. Here's a misunderstanding to clear up. Touch doesn't have to be intense or over the top. Even light, casual contact counts. Another move you can use is inspecting her jewelry. Look at her necklace, bracelet, or ring while chatting. This gives you a reason to get close, lightly touch her hand, and create more of that natural hormonal response. Done correctly, it feels normal and friendly, but subtly increases sexual tension. If she's wearing a necklace, you can reach out as if you're checking it out. You could say, "This necklace is beautiful. What's the story behind it?" If it's a bracelet, lightly touch her wrist and ask, "Where did you get this?" Her wrist is full of sensitive nerve endings, and that little touch triggers oxytocin, which starts to make her feel attracted to you. If she isn't wearing jewelry, you can do a skin comparison. "Wow, your skin is so tan, Jessica. How did you get that color?" Lightly touch her hand or forearm as you compare, and that small contact starts the same hormonal response. Another easy move is the hand comparison. Ask to see her hand and compare sizes. "Your hands are so small," or "They're bigger than I thought." You can hold her hand for a few seconds, much longer than a casual touch. Walking together, lightly touch her elbow to guide her. This subtle protective gesture triggers a biological response without her even realizing it. When moving through a doorway or in a crowd, place your hand on the small of her back to guide her. This gentle, dominant move creates sexual tension instantly. If you're sitting next to her, try the laugh touch. When she says something funny, lightly touch her knee or thigh while laughing. Hold it for a couple of seconds, then remove your hand. This links your touch to positive emotions. But sexual chemistry isn't just touch. You can make her feel desire without touching her at all, just through your eyes. Most men fail because they either avoid eye contact or look in a platonic way. That keeps things friendly, and she stays in the friend zone. Instead, use what I call the tiger eyes. Focus on one of her pupils while imagining her naked or pulling her close. Slow your speech, stretch vowels, and pause longer to create a sexier tone. Instead of, "Hey Jessica, did you do the assignment?" Try, "Hey Jessica, did you do the assignment?" That sexualized gaze subtly changes your pupils and body language, and she picks up on it. When you openly feel desire instead of hiding it, she begins to feel it too. The bottom line is this: turning on a female friend in just a few minutes is about triggering her natural hormonal response with strategic touches and sexualized eye contact. Gesture naturally while talking, touch her arm, shoulder, or hand, inspect her jewelry, compare hand sizes, guide her with your hand on her elbow or back, and lock eyes while imagining her naked. Slow your speech and stretch vowels to build tension. Watch her pupils and body language. When they change, you know it's working. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Empowered Heart, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip. And drop a comment with the word chemistry if you're ready to take your connections to the next level.